Brain disease thrive in dirty mind. We know, doing crossword puzzles and memory training games and taking omega-3 fish oil supplements boost our brain health. We do these to keep our mind clear and brain sharp. This process of cleaning differs between a healthy and diseased brain. According to a study published in the journal PLOS Biology on May 26, 2016, the brain must sweep off their dead neurons for its proper function, but when it comes to neurodegenerative diseases, this cleaning process is impaired. There are mechanisms that keep the brain clean during neurodegenerative diseases also. When neurons die, the debris needs to be quickly swept away, for the proper functioning of the surrounding brain tissue. There needs to be a balance between the scavengers of the brain, the microglia, which dispose the neurons that express eat-me signals. Now, for the first time, researchers have disclosed the process of neuronal death and microglial phagocytosis, removing dead and dying neurons as well as synapses, in the diseased brain. The microglia in the brain rapidly engulfs and degrades cells that are dying, and get rid of dead cells and prevent further damage. Phagocytosis, the elimination of dead neurons, prevents the spillover of toxic intracellular contents and is actively anti-inflammatory. It is known that during epilepsy-related seizures neurons die. Here the microglia behave abnormally, they become blind and unable to find the lingering dead neurons and destroy them. So, the dead neurons accumulate, causing the damage of neighboring neurons, and triggering an inflammatory response that can worsen the brain damage. When dead neurons are not completely removed from the brain, it results in inflammation and secondary brain damage. This could lead to new treatments to alleviate the effects of not just epilepsy, but Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and stroke. Currently, the researchers are developing drugs hoping to boost the brain's cleaning process and help in the treatment of epilepsy. In other words, if researchers could figure out how to unblind the microglia, this could help to halt neuronal deterioration in brain diseases. In neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, nerve cells can be damaged in many ways. In Parkinson's disease, neurons that transfer messages using dopamine are involved. This causes incoordination and tremors in patients with this condition. In Alzheimer's disease, the neurons associated with learning and memory are lost. However, in both conditions, neurons do not die immediately, they first become dysfunctional before their death. Another study found that inhibiting MER and AXL, the two receptors that clear out dead or dying cells, could be beneficial to people with brain disease. The researchers found MER and AXL may actually target living, but functionally compromised, cells. Although this is not necessarily a bad thing in the healthy brain, but the destruction of these living cells may backfire in people with brain disease. These findings warrant further research into alternative therapies that would preserve healthy, living neurons and slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases. Good sleep and good exercise clears toxins in the brain. Being vigilant about the treatable risk factors for dementia, including hypertension, diabetes, and hyperlipidemia, can help maintain healthy brain function. Thank you.